Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install the interface language in Gridbox. In the Gridbox dashboard, click the Languages icon in the top right corner. In the Languages modal window, select the language you want to install from the list of available languages and click on it to proceed with installation. That's it. You have successfully installed the language. In this example, I installed the German language. To make the interface appear in German, the German language must also be set as the default language in Joomla. To learn how to install a language in Joomla or set it as the default, please refer to the official Joomla documentation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.